Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coaching Katta. Stay home, stay safe and study with Coaching Katta. विद्यार्थिनींनो, आपण इयत्ता 9वी गणित भाग 2 चा अभ्यास करत आहोत. त्यातील चॅप्टर 6 सर्कल हे आपण सुरुवात केलेली आहे आणि आजचा आपला हा त्यातला तिसरा तास आहे. जर अजूनही तुम्ही चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब बटनावरती क्लिक करा आणि कनेक्टेड रहा. Press bell icon to get notifications. Okay, today we are going to solve the practice set 6.1. So let us start. Practice set 6.1. This is the first example. Distance of a chord AB from center of a circle is 8 cm. Length of the chord AB is 12 cm. Find the diameter of the circle. So this is the diagram, and what is given in the example that distance of chord AB from center is 8 cm. So this is chord AB and O is the center, and the distance of AB from center O, it is equal to 8 cm. So OP is 8 cm. Okay, and what we have to find the diameter of the circle. So first we have to calculate the radius, means OA or OB. So this is right angle. Why? Because it is given that the distance of chord from center, means it is the perpendicular distance. So this angle is right angle. So join OB and now in this triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, angle P equal to 90 degree, because OP is perpendicular to AB, and let us find the distance PB equal to 1/2 into AB, and the value of AB is given half into, that is length of chord equal to 12 cm. So put here 12, it is equal to 6 cm. So PB equal to 6 cm, and now we have to find out OB. So in triangle OPB, apply the theorem of Pythagoras. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OP square plus PB square, and put the values. OP equal to 8, so 8 square plus 6 square, and let us calculate this. 8 square equal to 64 plus 36 equal to 100, but we have to find OB. Therefore OB equal to, taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, what we get? We get OB equal to square root 100, means 10 centimeter. So this is the length of OB equal to 10 centimeter, and OB means it is radius of the circle. Therefore R equal to 10 centimeter, and we have to find the length of diameter. Therefore diameter equal to 2 into radius, means 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter. and therefore our answer is D equal to 20 centimeter. The next example, diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter, length of chord of the circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of chord from the center. Now this is the diagram, circle with center O, and this is the chord AB. Then radius is given. Why? Because diameter is given. Therefore, half of diameter equal to radius. So right here, diameter equal to 26 centimeter, and therefore radius equal to OB equal to 26 upon 2 equal to 13 centimeter. So this is equal to 13 centimeter. Length of chord of the circle is 24, means AB equal to 24 centimeter. Now construction, draw the perpendicular from center on chord, means OP is the perpendicular on chord AB. OP, draw OP perpendicular to AB, and we know that the perpendicular from center bisect the chord, and therefore by that theorem we get PB equal to half of AB, and put the value of AB. It is given that 24 centimeter, that is length of chord. Therefore PB equal to 12 centimeter. So write here 12 centimeter. It is right here reason, perpendicular from center bisect the chord, bisects the chord. This is the reason. Now in this triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, right here formula, that is OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. Put the values. OB square means 13 square. OP square we have to find it, so write it as it is. PB, put the value 12 and its square. So 13 square equal to 169 equal to OP square equal to, sorry, plus 144. Then we have to find OP square. It is equal to 144. Bring it at left hand side, so it becomes minus, and therefore OP square equal to 25. OP square equal to 25. Then taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, that is we get OP equal to 5 centimeter. So this is the value of OP. So write the answer like this: distance of chord AB from the center is 5 centimeter, and this is the answer, final answer. Next example, radius of circle is 34 centimeter. So this is the diagram with center O, and radius is given, chord is given. Distance of chord from center, it is given as 30 centimeter. and radius is also given, it is equal to 34 centimeter. So write here 34 centimeter. Write the name AB. Chord AB is given, and we have to draw the perpendicular from center, because the distance is given, and distance means perpendicular distance. So it is the point P, and this is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, this is given, and distance of chord from center is 30, means this OP is, it is equal to 30 centimeter. And where what we have to find out? Length of chord, means find AB. We have to find the total length of chord. So first find the length of PB. Okay, and for that apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle OPB. Okay, then what is also given, that OB, it is given 34 centimeter, it is given. Now in triangle OPB by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. So put the values, 34 bracket square equal to 30 square plus PB square, and 34 square, it is equal to 1156. 30 square equal to 900 plus PB square, and we have to find the value of PB. So bring this 900 to the left hand side, means it becomes minus 1156 minus 900 equal to PB square. Subtract 900 from 1156, it becomes 256 equal to PB square, and taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, what we get? Square root get cancelled, and we get PB to the right hand side, and to the LSS square root of 256 equal to PB. Therefore PB equal to 16 centimeter. Now we know the theorem that perpendicular from center bisects the chord, means AP equal to PB. Now AP equal to PB. Reason, write the reason here. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So AP equal to PB, and we know the value of PB, and therefore AP equal to also 16 centimeter. But we have to find the value of AB, means length of AB, chord AB. So AB equal to AP plus PB, and now put the values of AP and PB. 16 plus 16 equal to 32 centimeter. Therefore write the answer like this: length of chord AB equal to 32 centimeter, and that's the final answer. Okay, the next example is radius of circle with center O is 41 units. So this is the circle with center O. Then radius is given, length of chord PQ. So this is the chord PQ. And radius is given, it is 41 centimeter, sorry, units. Length of chord PQ equal to 80 centimeter. Find the distance of chord from center. Means we have to find this distance of PQ from center O. So draw the perpendicular from O on PQ. So this is the point M. Now perpendicular, denote it as perpendicular, means right angle. Now right here it is given that OQ equal to radius equal to 41, and what is also given that OM is perpendicular to PQ, and also what we have to find out, find the distance of chord from center, means we have to find the distance OM. Okay, this is the perpendicular from center, and the perpendicular from center bisects the chord, means PM equal to MQ. Therefore right here, therefore PM equal to MQ, and reason for that, for this is perpendicular from center bisects the chord, and therefore PM equal to MQ. We know the value of PQ, so MQ equal to half of PQ. Therefore MQ equal to half into PQ. Put the value of PQ, it is equal to 80, so MQ equal to 40 units. So right here 40 units. 40 units. Now in triangle OMQ, in triangle OMQ by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square equal to OM square plus MQ square. Put the values, 41 square equal to OM. This is the value that we have to find out, so write it as it is, OM square plus MQ 40 square. Now 41 square, it is equal to 1681. It is equal to OM square plus 40 square, it is equal to 1600. And now bring this 1600 to the LHS. It becomes minus 1600. It is equal to OM square. And subtract 1600 from 1681. It is equal to 81 and OM square. Now taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, we get OM equal to root 81, and root 81 means 9. Therefore OM equal to 9. So write here units, not centimeter, units, and therefore write the answer in the full sentence, that is distance of chord from center, distance of chord PQ from the center is equal to 9 units, and this is our final answer. Okay, that's it. Next example. The diagram is given in the figure. Center of two circles is O. chord AB of bigger circle intersects the smaller circle in points P and Q. Show that AP equal to BQ. So in this diagram, we have to construct that. Draw perpendicular from center on this chord. See, and give the name as M. Now this is the perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, right here, draw OM perpendicular on chord AB. Then this is the chord of smaller circle and therefore PM equal to MQ. Okay, and also OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore AB is the chord of bigger circle, therefore AM equal to MB. Okay, so right here for smaller circle for smaller circle OM, right here A dash M dash B. OM is perpendicular to PQ and therefore PM equal to MQ. This is the first equation, and reason for this is perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord and therefore PM equal to MQ. This is the first equation. For bigger circle OM is perpendicular to AB and therefore AM is equal to MB. Reason, this is the second equation, and reason for that is same as equation 1, that is perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Now from 1 and 2, what we get? AM. See in the diagram, AM equal to AP plus PM and MB equal to MQ plus QB. So right here from the diagram we get AP plus PM, that is the value of AM, equal to, what is the value of MB? Means MQ plus QB. MQ plus BQ or QB. Okay, and in the first equation we write here PM equal to MQ. See here, PM equal to MQ means these two values are equal. So eliminate PM and MQ. Therefore AP equal to BQ. Write here reason from equation 1. Eliminate PM and MQ because these two values are equal, so just cross it or eliminate it, and that's the answer. That is, we have to show that AP equal to BQ, and this is the final answer. Means proved AP equal to BQ. Write all these examples in your notebook. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and study with Coaching Katta. Bye bye. Thank you.